Hello, ma'am. My name is Tudor Cedric Provido, and my video recitation is all about the five theories. First is the first one is Florence Nightingale. She created the environmental theory, which is the manipulation of the environment for the benefit of the patient. She was known as the mother of modern nursing and was also nicknamed as the Lady with the Lamp. Florence Nightingale's theory has seven major concepts, which are proper ventilation. Doon na po papasok yung kung maayos ba ang daloy ng hangin sa room ng pasyente. Next is adequate light. Kung maayos po ba yung mga ilaw sa kwarto ng pasyente, nakakita ba sila ng maayos. Next is cleanliness. Kung gaano kalinis ang kwarto ng pasyente, madumi ba or malinis. Next is diet. Doon napapasok ang kung anong kinakain ng pasyente, kung masustansya ba o hindi. Next is warm. Doon napapasok yung temperature, kung giniginaw ba yung pasyente or naiinitan. Then next one is quiet. Kung gaano ka ingay or ka-quiet ang kwarto ng pasyente. Masyadong maingay, kung maingay, pwede naman ibabaan ang volume ng boses. And the last one is management. Dito na papasok yung kung paano i-manage ng nurse ang pasyente. Yung patutungo ng nurse sa pasyente at yung relationship nilang dalawa. And yun lang po kay Florence Nightingale. Susunod naman po ay si G. Watson. Ang kanyang theory is all about transpersonal caring. Transpersonal caring theory emphasizes kung gaano kalalim ang relationship between nurse and patient. Gaano nila kakilala ang isa't isa, o ang kaanawan o kaunawaan ng isang nurse sa kalagayan ng patient. Ito papasok yung relationship ng dalawa, hindi yung, love relationship, caring relationship, kanila kakilala ang isa't isa. At yun lang po kay Jane Watson. Ang susunod naman po ay si Patricia Benner's stages of nursing expertise. First stage is the beginner, 0 to 1 year. Ito po yung mga nursing students and newly registered nurse. Wala pa silang mga experience na nakukuha. Next is advanced beginner. Ito po, may konting kaalaman na po sila, pero hindi pa masyado. Next is competent. Dito na po, medyo may alam na sila, alam na po nila yung mga gagawin, alam na po nila. Next stage is proficient. Dito po, pupasok yung alam na talaga nila yung gagawin. Kunwari, may inubo po yung nawawalan po ng oxygen ng pasyente, alam na dyan po yung gagawin, papaano po papatayuin para makakakuha ng maayos na oxygen. And the last stage is expert. It's more than 5 years of experience. Dito po papasok yung talagang alam na nila yung gagawin. Kunwari po, inuubo yung pasyente, gago nila, papainom ng gamot. Yes, and ayun lang po ang mga stages of nursing expertise ni Patricia Benner. Susunod naman po ay kay Katie Erickson. She created the caritative caring theory, which emphasizes the patient's care through love, compassion, and respect. It focuses on the patient's well-being. Ang kaibahan naman po ng theory ni Erickson sa theory ni Watson is that Erickson's theory focuses on the patient's care through love, compassion, and respect, while Watson's theory focuses on the learning behaviors through environmental conditioning. Lastly is Dorothea Oren. She created the self-care deficit theory. Dito na papasok ang pagtutulong-tulong ng pasyente at nurse para mas mapabilis ang paggaling ng pasyente. Dito rin papasok ang self-care and dependent. Ang self-care is ang kakayanan ng pasyente na pagalingin ang sarili niya or gawin ang mga bagay na kailangan niyang gawin na mag-isa. While sa dependent, dito na papasok ang nurse para tulungan ang pasyente. Kaya dependent. At yun lang po ang aking video recitation. Thank you.